Imagine a world where you are able to take a static, or maybe you just want to give it the latest trendiest dance moves on social media. Go over to Google and you can search for Viggle. So for instance, you can actually animate a static character with a text prompt, so all you have to do is upload your character and input a prompt of how you want your character to move, and there you have your results. The next thing you can actually do is you can create a character and a video all from prompts, and you can get the kind of motion you want from the character that you have created. The other thing you can do is actually go ahead and upload your character and give it a specific style that you want to see, and then you can go ahead and input a prompt that you want to see in your character, like of how the character is supposed to move, and this tool is just going to go ahead and do that for you. Now we'll just go ahead and click join the beta, and you'll be directed to their Discord account. If you do not have a Discord account, you'll be able to create your own there. Okay, so once you're in, you can just go ahead and check out some of the important things on their server. For instance, on the left-hand side panel, you'll be able to see a few things that may be of use to you. For instance, you can just go ahead and see the rules that you need to follow. There is also the updates there. You can also go ahead and check out the frequently asked questions, and you'll also be able to see the motion prompts also on that side, but I'll show you exactly how to get those prompts much easier. This is a bit confusing, well, for me it was. So at this point, what you need to do now is just go ahead and choose one of these channels to join. So I'm just going to choose channel 8. So we're just going to go ahead and start animating our images. For that, all you need to do is hit the / button, and you'll be able to see all the available tools that you can use. So we're just going to hit the animate option. And you're going to choose our first character over here. Now, you need to open a different window on your browser and type Viggle AI /prompts. As you can see now, there are all these prompts that you can go through and choose from, so just go through them, and once you get a prompt that you like or what you're looking for, just copy that prompt and come back over here to the Discord server, and you're going to input that prompt in the motion prompt. And you're going to choose the background and the fine tune, you're going to leave it on, and now you're going to hit enter and wait for the tool to generate our. Here's our first result, so we're just going to play this and see how it turned out. As you can see, the character is actually moving exactly how we wanted it to move. It's moving in accordance with the prompt that we chose. So let's choose a different character. And you're going to choose this girl over here, and you're going to choose a prompt. You're just going to copy it. And you're going to go back to Discord and paste it over here, and for the background you're going to choose a green screen, and you're going to leave the fine tune on and hit enter, and now our results are here. As you can see, the character is actually moving right the way we chose. The movement is actually really smooth. So just go ahead and test this out using different types of characters. So now, we are just going to choose the same girl. Actually, let's choose the same girl, and this time, we're not going to choose a prompt, we are going to input a prompt manually. We're going to put running, choose a white screen, and leave the fine tune on and hit enter. So here's our character. And as you can see, she's actually just running just like we prompted for her to run. So if you do not want to choose one of their prompts, you can just go ahead and manually input the prompt that you want. Just explain how you want your character. I have chosen this video from Mixkit, and you're just going to go ahead and download this. So basically, we want our image to move like the woman in this video. So we're just going to hit / mix. So we're going to choose the mix option, and you're going to upload our image. So we're just going to upload our girl over here. And you're going now to upload the video that you downloaded. We want our girl to move like this woman, so we're just going to input the reference video over there, and the background you're going to choose a green screen, and you're leaving the fine tune on as well. So once that is all done, you just need to go ahead and hit enter and wait for the results. So let's just go ahead and look at our results. And here is the video, and this is actually so amazing. She's actually moving exactly like the woman in the video. So let me just put that up, side to side for you to see. So here's our image and the video that we chose, as you can